Hello everyone, Helen here, and I'm back with another design team project for you guys for the Not Too Shabby Shop. Today we will be making 10 cards using the September 2021 card kit of the month called Lovely Fall Box. Now this kit comes with two paper packs. One is 6x6 and the other one is going to be a slimline paper pack. Comes with two stamp sets, which is a 5x7 and a 4x6, one ephemera pack, a sequins mix, and a stencil made by one of our very own design team members, call me Crafty Al. Now this box is so beautiful. I love the non-traditional fall colors in this, especially the blues. And I did bring in some black cardstock to mat some of my cards. I also used the mini slimline paper pads to mat my pattern papers as well. I also brought in a Nuvo crystal drop called Duck Egg. It really matches the colors in this kit. I chose to have a 1/4 inch white border on all these cards because I wanted the colored cardstock to have that white border, if that makes any sense. And I dressed this first card up with the Duck Egg crystal drops, and I really love how it looks because it dries solid. And then now we're on to card 2. I chose this plaid paper, which is so cozy and warm, and then I'm going to add a solid paper in the center. Now the slimline comes with glitter and solid colored colors, so I mainly chose the solid colors to mat my pattern paper, and I really love how that blue goes well with that sweater pattern paper. So I chose 2 sweaters here, and I'm going to adhere that on the top of my card. I'm going to stamp one of the sentiments on the right side, and I'm just making sure that I'm seasoning my stamp really well so that I can get a nice crisp image. And this one says Autumn Vibes. Then I'm just going to dress this up with my Nuvo crystal drops, and that pretty much finishes up this card. So if you're interested in subscribing to Jamie's card kit of the month, I will have the link down below. I will also have a 10% off coupon code to her shop. Now you cannot apply the 10% off of the subscription because it's already discounted, but you can apply the discount to the other items she has in her shop. And she carries many brands such as Lawn Fawn, Honeybee Stamps, Sunny Studios, Trinity Stamps. So she carries a lot of brands, so head on over to her shop and take advantage of that coupon code. So now we're on to the next card, and this one I chose a pumpkin background, and I took one of the ephemeras and I popped that up, and then I'm dressing it up with this cotton foliage. I'm really not sure what it's called, so I'm just gonna say cotton foliage. And then I chose one of the plaques, and I'm gonna put that right on top. I think it's so cute. It looks like a kitchen, like what you would normally have in a kitchen. And I'm gonna go ahead and adhere that, and then I'm gonna stamp one of the sentiments right at the bottom. And again, I'm making sure that my stamp is seasoned, and it says pumpkin spice is my favorite season. And as you can see, like the cups, it has like that, I don't know who makes it. There's a name of this person that makes that particular design, so if you know it, can you let me know down below? But they sell it at like Home Goods. I see it there a lot. So it kind of like, you know, I like seeing the familiar decorations, such as like the Yankee candle on the first card. So for this card right here, I chose the glitter pattern paper. I just love this glitter look. Like, I don't even know how it's possible to make it look like glitter but doesn't feel like glitter. This also is great, like the glitter paper, to dress up your planners. Like, I see a lot of planners who like to use glitter to get that glam look. So it's perfect for that, and all you have to do is trim it or punch it out with one of your punches. Like, I know I use the Happy Planner, so it's perfect for this. And so I just chose to die cut an oval, and then I chose the home ephemera, and then I chose one of the sentiment banner, and I put it right under it, and I thought they go well, so well together. Now we're on to card 5, and if you're interested in the measurements of how I cut my pattern papers, I will have that on my blog, and all you have to do is click on each picture, and from there you will see the measurements. And if you don't see it right away, there is an icon or a little image. It says I for info or info, and that way you will see it pop up. Because I did get an email, and it didn't pop up for her, but when she saw the info button or icon, that's when it did. So I just wanted to clarify that or clear that up, just in case you're having issues. And if you're having issues and you still can't see it, just email me. I would be more than happy to send you the dimensions, which is no problem at all. So now on to card 6. So basically, my thinking for designing with this kit is that I just wanted to make kind of like a tablescape, because a lot of these ephemeras are for, like, you know, decorations in your house. So I just wanted to break down the paper pads and layer them, and then create a scene with the ephemeras that came with it. So I'm thinking to myself, this is my coffee table. I'm gonna have a sunflower on the back for my wall, and then I'm gonna put the candle there and the blanket, and the sentiment says, let's get cozy. And what better way to say, or to, you know, say cozy with blanket and coffee. So, and of course candles. So I really like the ephemeras that go well together in this kit. And I'm just gonna decorate these with the acorns, or is that called acorns? I don't know, nuts. And adhere that on the front of my card, and that finishes it up. And again, I just wanted to mention, like, the non-traditional colors, like the black and white plaid, it just looks so good. Like, it screams fall farmhouse, right? And then this one right here, this one's a scene, 6x6 scene pattern paper. I just, you know, trimmed it, and I added the yarn basket, the boots, and the pillow, and that finishes it up. And then I'm just gonna stamp my sentiment right on the floor. It says, thankful, blessed, pumpkin, obsessed. How simple is that, right? Now we're moving on to card 8. Now this card right here, you guys, this card gave me like the hardest time, because when I designed it, like, remember I lost my phone? I still haven't gotten it, but it's on its way. It actually just left Indianapolis, according to my husband. But I haven't been taking like really good photos, because I rely on my phone to take bright photos. And so, you know, I don't have my phone to remember how I designed this. So I'm going off of memory, and I'm like, I don't remember. I don't remember where I placed this. I don't remember where this goes. So you'll see me playing around with these ephemeras and trying so hard to remember. But yeah, it was a struggle, I have to say. And here I'm just making again, like a tablescape. I incorporated the pumpkins. I incorporated the floral image there with the wood for the fireplace, and I popped up that 3-tier decor element, tucking in the pumpkin. And basically, you know, it might not have been my original design, but I was really pleased with how it looks. And I'm gonna pop up the floral foliage there right on top. So to me, this is looking balanced. really loving how this looks. Then I'm just trying to figure out where I put the sentiment here, and this again is like a plaque, and it says welcome fall. I'm honestly at a loss for words. I do apologize if this one is a long card making session for this particular card. I thought about editing it to where you don't have to watch me struggle, but I just want some of you who are interested in seeing the struggle in card making sometimes, that you know, you just have to go with the flow, go with it, and you know, sometimes losing your memory can be a good thing, because then you'll come up with a design that you're probably more pleased with than the other one. So that finishes up our card 9. I really like how it turns out. So card 9, I'm sorry, that was card 8. Now we're on to card 9. This one's another scene card pattern paper. I trimmed it to size, and I made a landscape out of it. All I did was I added a pillow and a plaque. Finishes up that card. Super simple and easy. Now on to card 10. Here's another one. I don't remember how I designed this. Yes, I was like, am I missing pattern papers? Because if I put the strip in the center, what's breaking it down? So I had to trim 2 pattern papers, and I added that in the center, and I don't know what that one strip is with the leaves. I don't honestly don't remember. I can't wait to get my phone back, you guys. Usually I'll take a picture of it so I can remember what I did, but yeah, it's coming soon though. I hope it comes before the weekend. That's all I have to say. So this one is scalloped oval dies from Stampin' Up, and you can also die cut the scallop border. I really like that look. And then I chose this 3-tiered decor, and then I incorporated 2 sunflowers so that it wouldn't look so empty on either side. And then I chose like this leaf with the acorn, and yeah, I really like that look. Now this one right here, I was like, where am I gonna put it? Because it didn't really look balanced to me. Like, so I popped it up and then I put it at the bottom, and then I was like, don't really like how that looks. So I'm just decorating it with the crystal drops, and then I decided just to take it off because, you know, on the decor it says hello fall, and that's all you really need. So this concludes our 10 cards 1 kit video. I hope you enjoyed it. Let me know in the comment section below which card was your favorite, and if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, and don't forget to click on that notification bell so that anytime I post a new video or Jamie posts a new video, you'll be notified. I'll see you on my next video. Have a wonderful day. Bye.